The good thing about the salon fairs is that it was a lot of variety to choose from, for one, and also they weren't so pressed about you knowing everything. I thought that when we did have like the school fair, salon fair, that it was like, man, you gotta know all this stuff, whatnot, and other than that, they gonna hire you. But you know, good thing about it is that no, they knew you were coming out of school. They just want to know more about you and if you were interested in working in their salon. So that was a good thing. And once I graduated, I passed state board, but during that time period, I was still working at a salon. I was working there the whole time of me being in school. I know my first 2 weeks of school, Danny, my instructor during that time, she told us, you know what, you guys need to probably go ahead, try to find a salon, find somewhere where you can probably be a salon assistant or a receptionist to kind of put your foot in the door. So I did that, and I found a cool salon located in Buckhead, and they're still like my salon family to this day. So, but I knew that once I graduated that I wanted to kind of do more. You know, I wanted to be a stylist. I was a braider beforehand. You know, I braided hair all day. I had clients for that, but didn't have too much of like the full service client. So I knew that's what I wanted to do, and I didn't want to be a salon assistant forever. So I decided to work at Cherry Blow Dry Bar, and I did that for a whole entire year. So after I graduated Toni Guy, I worked at Cherry Blow Dry for a whole year. My last day was really last month. And it was cool. I learned a lot about curling hair. The only thing about Cherry Blow Dry is that they don't cut hair. They don't cut colors. It's not a full service salon. It's more so like a styling salon. They also did makeup applications, keratin too. So that was pretty cool getting that, and I learned a lot from there. I learned a lot about how to place the hair, how to curl the hair different directions, how to do updos, how to do style outs, what products should be paired together, what shouldn't be paired together. And so that was really helpful. So that really boosted my confidence after graduating from Toni Guy. And like I said, once you're in school, you learn like the basics. Cutting, basic cuts, basic color, but you have to kind of take that skill set and put it into your own being, and then take it to other clients and use that. You know, you're not gonna learn everything from that school, and that goes for any school. Of course, you know, they don't want you to know something before you graduate, but you're not gonna know everything once you graduate cosmetology school, and it's okay, because that just to make sure that you're able to find a good salon that fits you. And I went to some salons. During that time, I was still working at Cherry, but I was still trying to find that full service salon. So in the meantime, I was kind of like freelancing. I was still taking clients outside of working in the salon, doing in-home services, and also still traveling to my clients. So that really helped. And you know, I went to a couple salons, and I toured some salons and worked for a couple salons too after graduating. That was full service, but I don't know, y'all. I think the entrepreneur in me, oh wow, I just knew better, you know, and I just knew that I wanted something for myself. Nothing's wrong with going to a salon and finding that right salon fit, and like, you know, it goes well. But for me, instance, whatnot, I didn't really find like the actual salon that fit me. So, and who knows, maybe one day I will. But since I knew that, I took it upon myself to start my business on my own. And that's why I came up with dreabstyles. And it's been like that since I was braiding, but now I have more full service too besides braid. So I decided to be my own boss. And now I have my own little salon suite in my apartment. And also I take clients as I travel too. So I'm still doing freelancing, and also I'm taking clients in home too. And I feel better about it. Still building my clientele. You know, it's gonna come over 2 years, have like a whole full set of clients. I still am working on it, and I know that, and I'm understanding that too, and just taking day by day. We're growing within myself as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and Also, whatnot, I am currently wanting to invest in real estate. So I think that with those two things, I'll be okay. But I am more so really embedded investment in doing hair. So that's what I'm doing now, y'all. I am freelancing still. I am doing my in-home services. And I would definitely say that Toni Guy prepared me for that. So if you do have any questions, or you want me to do like another video about like things that happen into cosmetology school, or like what steps should you take to kind of figure out if that salon is the right fit for you, or if you just like any other questions, want to know more about detail about what my experiences are as a hairstylist, as a master cosmetologist, then please feel free to hit those questions down below in the comment section, and I'll be welcome to talk to you guys more about it and just have a discussion about it, because I know how it feels not knowing, and you know, stepping out on faith. You know, I feel like it's any entrepreneur, because once you do become a hairstylist, although you are renting a booth or you're probably doing commission, this space, that booth of yours is yours. And it's of course part of the salon too or not, but think of yourself as that individual, and that this is my client and I want the best for them, and how can I make sure that their experience is the best. So it's tough. So even after graduating cosmetology school, of course it prepared me some things like that, because we did have clients. Of course, had a lot of clients come in and get their hair done, but you really don't take too many of those clients with you after you graduate cosmetology school. So you have to figure out a way of how to maintain clients. Social media is big right now, so I have also been finding within myself to post more ads, do more promotions, put myself all on media, because it's important. Social media is where it's at right now. Everybody is on social media looking for a hairstylist or a colorist or a barber. So just know that you will get there, and it takes time. I am still even getting there. It's been almost 2 years that I've been full service, so I'm still working on it. So don't feel pressed or stumped about it. This right here is a whole learning experience, and I just hope that it works out for you guys too. So let me know if you have any more questions, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in to Dreabstyles. Thank you, y'all. Bye bye.